Hola y buenos días. Welcome to una clase de español. We're still looking at países y nacionalidades, which are countries and nationalities. But today, hoy, quiero concentrarme en la pronunciación. And I'm going to start with la letra más complicada de español, en mi opinión, la letra G. Now, when you have G followed by the letter E, it makes a H sound, and it's the same when you have G followed by the letter I. So if we think of some países like Argentina, you get a H sound where you might expect a J sound in English. Argentina. Belgium, Belgica. Belgica. That GI makes a he sound. Belgica. It's the same with Egypt. Egipto. So countries is a good place to practicar la pronunciación. You can have Georgia as un estado en los Estados Unidos or un país en Asia, near Russia, cerca de Rusia. So, Georgia en español es Georgia, Georgia. Practice it. Countries, but also ciudades. So you have Gibraltar, en el sur de España, Gibraltar. Geneva, for los derechos humanos. Ginebra, Ginebra. See? Or Genoa, an Italian city, una ciudad italiana que se llama Genoa, Genoa. Now, G is only like that when the next letter is E or I. So you have Gran Bretaña with a normal G sound. Gran Bretaña. You have Gales, which is Wales, Angola, Bulgaria. Do you know where that is? ¿Sabes dónde está Bulgaria? Yo no sé precisamente. Pienso que Bulgaria está en el sureste de Europa. Bueno, we can check, can't we? Grecia en el sur de Europa. Angola en Africa. Normal G sound. When you get G-U-I, you keep the hard G sound. So you have Guinea. And Y acts the same. So you have Guyana. Okay? When you have G-U-A, it makes a gua sound, just like agua. So you have Guatemala. I told you, la letra G es la letra más complicada de español, en mi opinión. But G-U-I makes a G sound, and you know that because we have guitarra. G-U-E makes a G sound, and we have guerra, which means war, which is where we get our guerrilla warfare, guerrilla. Guerrilla is a little war, guerrilla. Okay, so that is la geografía, damas y caballeros, ladies and gentlemen, la geografía. But I haven't finished with la pronunciación de hoy. What I'd like you to do is find una lista de países de la geografía, ciudades, regiones. There's una lista en página 10 de Pasos, but there are plenty of other listas if you're not using este libro. So I want to focus on los vocales, the vowels, los vocales. Ahora. So we have A, E, I, O, U en español. And those are the sounds that los vocales make. So we have Armenia in English, Armenia, because E is E, Armenia. See? Barbados, Barbados. En inglés, Barbados. Ireland with an I sound. To make an I in Espanol, you need AI, but in inglés, it's all over the place. So we have Ireland. En Espanol, Irlanda, Irlanda. Now, the letter U. En Espanol es U. A, E, I, O, U. So we have not the Reino Unido, we have el Reino Unido. El Reino Unido, precisamente. Los Estados Unidos. So make your U an U. Give me an U. So Cuba is Cuba. And the republics, La República Dominicana, La República Checa. Okay, give me an U. Rusia, Rusia. See? And with I, give me an E. The letter I is E, A, E, I, O, U. So China is China. Okay? So these are things to focus on. Try starting with A, E, I, O, U, and then read una lista de los países, de las regiones, de las ciudades. Finalmente, last thing for today. Well done for staying so far. Last thing for today is la J, the letter J, la J. So we have Jamaica, Jamaica, Jamaica. Japón, Japan, Japan en inglés, Japón en español. Some places, some people call Mexico Mexico and spell it with a la J. We have Jordania. The Gaza Strip is la Franja de Gaza. Franja means strip, of course. La Franja de Gaza. And finalmente, last two words for today. New Jersey, Nueva Jersey. And Texas is sometimes called Texas. ¿Vale? So, practica la pronunciación con una lista de países y de ciudades y de regiones. Good luck. It's nice to practice with something that's quite familiar. So I think that países y nacionalidades are a great place to look for pronunciation practice. Come back, vuelve pronto, and we're going to talk about la familia. And I would love you to subscribe. Muchas gracias for watching. And give the video a little like. Hasta la próxima. Adiós.